Darren, how's it going?
Hi, good and you?
Good, man. So you're from Festo.
Yes.
Tell me one or
I'm
two
from
cool things.
Festo. So over here we've got basically a servo and stepper demonstration.
Okay.
So the whole idea is to show how our servos and steppers can integrate into one system.
Oh, there's servos and steppers.
Yes, yeah. So what's very cool is that all of our servos and steppers use single cable technology.
Okay.
Okay, so that means your encoder cable as well as your power cable is all built into one. Easy installation, and basically they can all communicate to each other using the daisy chain of the...
I've never seen servos and steppers connected together.
Yes, yeah. So that's the whole point of this board is to show how we can run everything in sync.
That's awesome.
And we do from 50 watts to 12 kilowatts.
Okay. That's pretty big now.
So for the steppers, we've got 50 to 300 watts.
Yeah.
And in the servos, about half a kilowatt to 12 kilowatts.
Okay. So maybe for the people that don't know, why would I choose a stepper over a servo or a servo over a stepper?
Okay, so yeah, your steppers for your lower torque, lower speed applications. So for just from moving from point A to B, you can also integrate it into a multi-axis system as well. So that's where the integration comes into handy. Whereas your servos, higher torque, higher speed applications. Yes.
Okay. And is there a difference in accuracy? Stopping accuracy?
Not anymore. There used to be. So
Okay.
what's nice about our steppers is they also have built-in encoders, absolute encoders.
Okay.
So
Probably the same ones as the servos.
Exactly the same. So
Okay.
that's quite innovative for the stepper industry. And then as well as all of our drives, the steppers and servos, are all multi-protocol. So they all support Ethernet IP, Modbus TCP,
Profinet.
Ethercat, Profinet,
Okay.
all in one drive. So you don't have to buy separate modules for the different communication protocols. Yeah.
That's cool.
So it's obviously a